Okay, the steps, sorry. Okay, in solving this, okay, the first one we need to find the fx, okay, and then we need to find the fy, and then the second step is we need to let the fx equal to 0 and the fy is equal to 0, and we need to solve simultaneously to find AB. Okay, so because AB is the critical point, AB the critical point. Okay, never mind. Okay, so next is we need to do the second derivative test. Okay, second derivative test, which is we need to find GAB. Okay, so we already have the critical point, therefore we need to find the GAB, where the GAB is the fxx fyy minus fxy squared. Okay, so therefore in order to find this derivative test, we need to find the fxx, fyy and fxy. Okay, we need to substitute the AB. Okay, alright, so next is we can check the GAB. Okay, so if the GAB is greater than 0, okay, and fxx also greater than 0, what happened? It will be local maximum. We can conclude that the AB is the local maximum. Okay, so if GAB is greater than 0 but the fxx is I am the other way around. Hold on. Okay, I don't want to make confused, so it's less. If the fxx is less than 0, it is local max. If fxx is greater than 0, then it will be local minimum. Okay, but if the GAB is less than 0, it will be a saddle point. And if GAB is equal to 0, no conclusion. Okay, so this is our steps. Okay, our steps. Okay, our step. Okay, remember this is the steps. Okay, so now we want to solve the quiz example 2. Okay, so for example 2, okay, alright, solution here. Okay, so first we need to find the fx. Okay, so fx here is minus 2, right? So minus 2. Okay, and then how about fy? So sorry, minus 2x, right? Minus 2x. Okay, so fy is 3y squared over 3 minus 1, right? Okay, so basically it will be cancel out. This one will be y squared minus 1. Okay, alright, so now we want to find the critical point, therefore we need to equate the negative 2 equal to negative 2x equal to 0, where we have x is equal to 0, and we need to equate y squared minus 1 also equal to 0. So we will have y squared equal to 1, therefore y equal to plus minus 1. So our critical point is 0, 1 and 0 minus 1. Okay, are the critical point. Okay, so we still have two critical points. 0, 1 and 0 minus 1. Okay, 0, 1 and 0 minus 1. Okay, so now let's we check for 0, 1 first. Okay, at point 0, 1. Okay, alright, so we need to check for the GAB, right? Okay, so fx just now is 2x, right? Sorry. Okay, so our fx will be minus 2. Okay, so our fxy is will be, in this case, 0 lah. Okay, because minus 2 is a constant. Alright, so fy just now is y squared minus 1. So our fyy will be 2y. Okay, alright, so now we want to check for the point 0, 1. Okay, because we want to calculate for G01. Okay, alright, so fxx, fxy, fyy minus fxy squared, right? Okay, so it'll be minus 2, fyy is 2y minus fxy is 0. So it'll be minus 4y. So we just substitute the 0, 1, so it'll be minus 4, 1, which is minus 4. Okay, alright, so this is less than 0. Okay, so it's less than 0. So if less than 0, meaning that, okay, 0, 1 here is a critical point. It's a saddle point. So we need to find the value for the fxy just now. What is the fxy? Okay, it is y cubed over 3 minus x squared y. So f01 here will be 1 over 3 minus 0 minus 1. So it will be, what is the value? Minus 2 over 3. Okay, therefore our conclusion here is 0, 1 minus 2 over 3 is a saddle point. Okay, alright, so now we want to check for the next critical point, which is 0 minus 1. Okay, at point 0 minus 1. Okay, so we still have the we need to substitute the G0 minus 1. Okay, fxx fyy minus fxy squared. So we already have fxx is minus 2 just now, minus 2, fyy is 2y, and fxy is 0, right? So we just minus 4y, okay, which is minus 4, just substitute minus y, which is 4. So in this case, GAB is greater than 0. Okay, so if greater than 0, we need to check for fxx. So fxx is minus 2. So minus 2 is less than 0. So we have GAB greater than 0, fxx is less than 0. So our conclusion is local maximum. Okay, therefore 0 minus 1. Okay, so we need to calculate for fx. Hold on, we need to cancel. We need to calculate for f. The critical point minus 1. Okay, so this one here we need to calculate. So it is what is it just now? y cube minus y. Okay, so this one we substitute, we will obtain minus 1 cube over 3 minus 0 minus minus 1. So basically this one we will obtain 2 over 3. Okay, alright, therefore then our conclusion 0 minus 1 2 over 3 is a local maximum. Okay.